Welcome back to Four Wheels Empire. Today, we're diving into a crucial component of your vehicle's exhaust system, the exhaust manifold. Whether you're a gearhead or just curious about how your car works, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Exhaust manifolds are cast iron or stainless steel units that collect the exhaust gases from multiple cylinders into one pipe. The exhaust manifold is located on the engine block, usually between the cylinder head and the catalytic converter. A well-functioning exhaust manifold is crucial for engine performance. Here's why. It helps remove exhaust gases efficiently. It prevents back pressure buildup, which can reduce power. It aids in temperature management, keeping the engine running smoothly. And it reduces emissions by ensuring gases reach the catalytic converter properly. If the exhaust manifold goes wrong, you may be greeted with burning smells. Upon lifting your hood also, you may hear a sound like rocks tumbling, or a loud grinding if it's damaged. Increased fuel use will be costing as well. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard. Short distance driving is permitted if you find these symptoms in your car, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. To save more money on car expenses, purchase an engine code eraser by clicking the description link below. To keep your exhaust system in top shape, check for unusual noises like ticking or hissing. Inspect for visible cracks or rust under the hood. Replace worn-out gaskets to prevent leaks. And that's a wrap. Now you know why the exhaust manifold is such a crucial part of your engine. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or thinking about an upgrade, understanding how it works can help you keep your car running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive content. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below.